Hey, welcome back to Hidden Acres Outdoors. I'm David. Only thing we're going to do today is do a little bit of driveway dress-up work. So what I'm going to do today is take the 7-foot wide landscape rake, and we're just going to go down. You can see I've got it tilted a little bit to the side. We'll gather just a little bit of gravel towards the middle. I did a video back in the, I guess, summer on using the box blade to actually reclaim a lot of gravel, but we're not looking to do that today. Only thing we're looking at doing today is just kind of moving a little bit of the gravel back towards the middle and then going in and smoothing some of that out and make do as long as we can with the gravel that we have before we have more brought in. But tractor should be about warm. Let's get to it. All right, you can see we didn't do a whole lot with that. We didn't really want to move a whole lot of gravel around. We just kind of wanted to spread out what was already up there out just a little bit better. So we didn't take the box blade and put a severe angle on anything and pull a lot of gravel back up into the driveway. Only thing we did, we had the landscape rake canted off to the first notch, so we pulled a little bit just kind of off the sides, but not really a whole lot, and we didn't want to go deep enough to mess up any of the compaction that we've got here before we do a good top dress on it sometime later this spring, early summer, something like that, whenever us and the neighbors get together and decide we want to do it. It looks a lot better than it did. It's not hard. Kind of take a look and see what we've got. But a lot of people are tempted to go faster than they really should when they're trying to do something like this. The faster you go, you end up bouncing the tractor around, and if you're using a box blade on the back or a landscape rake or something else, you end up bouncing that implement and you end up with little ruts running horizontal across your driveway. Let me get this rock out of here. And that's really not something you want to do. So I found that it's easier just to go a lot slower than the tractor could actually do this, but if you go slow, you can do the whole thing in 4 passes instead of having to come back and make 6 or 7 passes. So I found that works better. To each his own, your mileage may vary. Next week, we're probably going to put out a video on the Kawasaki Mule Pro MX. It's a side-by-side utility vehicle. We use that thing extensively out here. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you later. And hit the notifications bell. And we'll see you later from Hidden Acres Outdoors. Bye.